How to manage Wix product categories 2024 Wix website collections. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how you can manage your Wix product categories in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So please do make sure to fully watch this video all the way till the end so you can get a full concept of how we're going to do this for ourselves. So without further ado, let's get straight in this video. Now to start things off, what we are going to want to do is we want to make sure that we have a properly set it up and accessible account on Wix. Now, once you have, accessed all of these things and set it all of these things up and have our proper account fully up and running, what you're going to want to do from there is you're going to come to your home, and in your home section, you should get the, you could say option to show your products or show your collections. So, you can get that generally through your setup. So if you continue your setup, it should generally give you that selection, or it should generally give you that collection. But in the case, if you don't find it over here, just go ahead and fully access your site, fully go ahead and make your site much more developed. Or you can simply come over here and write in collections, okay? And once you write collections, it's going to give you a whole dashboard of, your inventory and your collections over here. Okay. And you can also manage your product collections through the actual product portfolio. So let's say if I were to go into my website, I'm going to go ahead and click on design site. I obviously have a website, so I'm going to go into its designer. And once I go into its designer, what I'm going to do over there is I'm going to create a few collections for myself to work on. So let me show you how I'm going to do that exactly. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. As you can see, it prepares my site. Now, once this loads up in the easiest way, there we go. So we have it looking like this, looks pretty cool. Now, how do you add collections? What you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to go and add elements, and you're going to make sure that you have, a set amount of products. And, you're going to actually want to make sure that you have enough products to make a collection. So to add proper collection widgets to your store, you can simply go here and, I can write collections as so. And once you write collections, it's going to give us all these things. So you can showcase your work in a beautiful portfolio, etc., etc. You get the point. So this is basically Wix's own collection platform where you can, create a collection of all of your products, create a category of all your products, add them in together, and then showcase them and give people the privilege to actually hyperlink. You can actually hyperlink those products, by the way, one by one, and allow people to obviously go ahead and check them out as well. So pretty basic and easy stuff to get your head around, right? Now, what we are going to be doing from here is we're going to go ahead down here where it says my portfolio, and here's your portfolio created, right? Now, to actually, like, this is your basic collection template. This is what a general collection is supposed to look like. Now, if you want to go into the workings of this, if you want to go into, the nitty-gritty details, if you want to get into how we're going to actually work with this, how we're going to make this look good, how we're going to make this look better, then what we are going to want to do is in the portfolio page, you have your portfolio gallery, and obviously you have your actual, editors over here. So you're going to click on manage projects, and it's going to open up a widget which you can edit. And you can edit, as simply as you want. So you can add or remove projects from this collection. As you can see, we have a collection created in the portfolio section. So obviously, you're only going to get this in your dashboard if you have a proper portfolio to create. So once we have all of this over here, it says add or remove projects from this collection, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing. So you get your project titles, and I'm going to go here, start removing these all one by one. I'm going to add things of my own, okay? I'm going to click on continue, and here you have your portfolio. In your portfolio, you go on your collections. I'm going to turn off this portfolio over here. I'm going to click on new collection. I'm going to call this new picks. I'm just gonna call this new pics. I'm not gonna give it any details. I'm just gonna go on add image, and I'm gonna upload a few images from my desktop into the new pics folder, right? So I have a pictures folder right here, and I'm gonna upload a few pics off of the actual desktop that I have. I'm gonna come here, and I have a lot of photos, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose most of them. And once you choose most of them, it starts uploading. Obviously, you're gonna want to make sure that it's under 25 megabytes. If it's over 25 megabytes, it will not upload your photo. So you are gonna want to keep, the ID and a surety of that. Now, once we are over here, we're gonna take it to loading, and obviously it starts loading. It takes its time to load up, so I'm just gonna wait for it to do that for me. But once it's done loading up, what we are gonna want to do from there is we're gonna go ahead and choose one of these to set as our cover. So I'm gonna choose this. I'm gonna click on set as cover. This sets the cover of my cover image. And now you can start adding projects in this collection. Okay. So I'm gonna click on a new project. I'm gonna give it the name my project. I'm gonna skip that, skip this, come to media, and now I can actually start uploading the media that I want. So I'm just gonna add some random images that I'd like to add in this section. So yeah, I've chosen a few images. I'm gonna click on open, and it's gonna upload all of them. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on done. And it's gonna slowly start adding them one by one. And obviously it says keep your website open to add these accordingly and properly. Now, once it adds that for us, what we're gonna do from there is we are gonna be going ahead and clicking on done. We're gonna be saving it all. And yeah, that's pretty much how you are gonna be creating collections for yourself. It's that easy. It's that simple. Now, I'm just gonna wait for this to load up properly. Now, once you've gotten the basic concept of this, you can obviously go ahead and create more and more templates for yourself if you want to. And it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. So once we're done over here, we're simply gonna click on done. Once we do that, here it says your portfolio, your project is now in your portfolio. So once we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and click on save. Once we do that, I'm going to go back out. Now we have this over here. I'm going to click on manage projects. And now that you click on manage projects, you're going to see that your photos for your projects or your images have been changed. So we have my project over here. I'm going to click on continue, and I'm going to click on save. And you're going to see that it's going to add this project of new pics into my portfolio. If someone actually goes and clicks on this collection, they're going to be redirected to my projects, and that's pretty much about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.